Hello, my name is John De Los Santos, and today I'll be talking about English sounds. Though I would do this on my own, but I need some help with my friend Soundwave. Hey bud, do you want to help me with my mini project?
No,
Please,
no,
please,
no,
pretty please,
no,
please,
no,
please.
no.
Oh, come on, why not?
Because you just said so.
But I already have a camera crew ready. Hey, not yet. Oops, sorry.
Roger, Roger. You got everything what you need. You don't need my assistance.
But
Do it on your own couch potato.
Let's do the report.
Roger, Roger.
First, we have our plosives. Plosives are made up by fully blocking the flow of air as it leaves the mouth. There are 6 plosive sounds in English: P, B, T, D, K, G. Allow us to demonstrate.
Paper. Tent. Gun.
what the heck?
Hey buddy, are we gonna put that in the script? Roger, Roger. Huh, alright.
Next, we have our fricatives. Fricatives are made by obstructing a part of the vocal tract. The air is then squeezed out through the narrow vocal tract. The air is never fully blocked, it is constantly released. Think of friction. There are fricative sounds in English. Here are the examples.
Treasure. Food. Machine.
Right, right.
The next English sound we have are nasal sounds. A nasal sound is releasing sound through the nose. Here are some examples.
Soon. Revenge is sweet.
Roger, Roger.
Next, we have our lateral. Lateral approximants are made by releasing air down the side of the tongue. Both L sounds, the tongue tip touches the alveolar ridge and the air escapes down the side. Here are some examples.
Play. Elbow.
Next, we have our glides. Glides are also called semivowels. The articulation is similar to vowel articulation, but it moves rapidly to another articulation or quickly terminates it. Here are some examples.
Whale.
Year.
Next, we have our affricates. Affricates start as plosives, then release into fricatives. Here are some examples.
Cheese. Just.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you leave a comment and
Should we put that in the script?
no, don't. And please bring me to a hospital. Please, I think I broke my legs.
Roger, Roger.